Hello viewers, welcome to another video from Everest Technology. In today's video, we are going to create a navbar with a drop-down menu, which you can see on my computer screen. So let's get started. Open any of your favorite text editor. I'm going to use Sublime Text. Create a new file and save it as index.html. I'm going to save it inside new folder 2, which is containing the image which I will be using as a background image. So I'm going to save it as index.html. So after you are done, type HTML and press tab. You will get a format for HTML. Our title will be drop down and create a unordered list. Inside unordered list, create a list item. Create a list item. Our list item will be home. Copy this and paste. So our next list item will be about us. Next item will be our services. And the last will be contact. So inside about us, again take another list and create a list. And here will be our sub items. Inside about us, our sub item will be our team. Copy this and paste it. Our team. Next sub item will be mission and vision. Next item will be resources. RESOURCES. Okay. Again, inside services, create another list. So I'm going to copy this, and inside services, our sub items will be our services will be web development, mobile app, and next I will give it as digital marketing. Okay, let's save it and open it in browser. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, this is our list and this is our sub items. This is pure HTML, so we are going to give it a CSS. Contact. Okay, now create a new file and save it as style.css. Okay, we are going to give a CSS for body first. I will give a background image. My background image name is b.jpg. Background size will be cover, rather no repeat. I will give font family as sans serif, and color will be white. Let's refresh it. Oh, why I didn't get, okay, I forgot to give here a link for CSS, so I will give a link. Style.css. Okay, this is what it looks like. I will give CSS for another list. I'll give margin 0, padding also 0. I'll give list style none, ULLI, float left, width I will give 300 px, and I will give height will be, okay, I'll give 40. Opacity I will give 0.8. What is remaining? Okay, line height will be, I'll give 40 px. Okay, background color will be hatch 902E. You can also select the color from color picker. I will give font size 20 pixel. Okay, let's save and let's see how it looks like. Okay, I will change this background color. Okay, this is what I need. Now I will give CSS for this text align center, text decoration, text decoration none, color white, display as block. Let's see. Okay, again ULLI display Oh, I need for hover. ULELIA hover. This will provide a hover effect. Background color. Background color I will give 15A9 15A926 15A926. Let's see, refresh this and let's see. Okay, again ULELI display none. This will disappear our sublist item. So let's see. Okay, our sublist item is disappeared. So what we need is, when you hover here, our sublist item need to be displayed. So let's write a CSS for this. ULELI hover ULELI display block. Let's see. Okay, when you hover over here, our sublist item will be displayed. I think that's all. Okay, this much for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.